Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to put two photos side by side on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone, and if you don't see it, you can just download it. Then tap the plus icon in the top right to create a new shortcut. Then tap Add Action, then search for Combine Images and select it. Change the mode from sequential to side by side. This ensures that the photos will placed next to each other. Now tap the search bar again and search for Save to Photo Album and add it. And this will automatically save your combined photo. And tap Done and the name of your shortcut Side by Side Photos. Now tap the two photos that you want to use and combined version will be saved to your photos. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.